Hey, hello, how you doing? Martin for theblueslab.com. Today I will talk about the Mixolydian mode in a blues context, yes, which is kind of, it's really used nowadays, this Mixolydian approach. I think Matt Scofield is the player that has the best approach to this concept, yes. He has a bunch of great Mixolydian licks, yeah. When I say Mixolydian and in a blues context, it's really, we have to be careful, yes, how we mix Mixolydian mode with the pentatonic scale, yeah. Minor, major, pentatonic scale. Actually, when we play minor, major, pentatonic scale, we play the same notes as the Mixolydian mode. The difference is the approach, yes. If we play more bluesy or more modal, yes. So I shared with you 2 weeks ago solo, yes, where I use a lot of Mixolydian mode over the shuffle, yes. So you can find the link here or here, I don't know. Anyways, it's in the description of this video, the solo I played. You can find the tabs of this solo on my Patreon, but this lesson is to talk about deeply, yes, about this Mixolydian mode and blues, yeah. So first, another thing you can find on my Patreon is a PDF with the pentatonic scales overlapped with the Mixolydian mode. So you can have, or you can get a better idea about the connection of these two things, yeah? Mixolydian mode, pentatonic blues, yeah, scale. Yeah, so you can connect and you can overlap them and you can find interesting things. I will show you a few things today, yeah, phrasing and licks, yes. So I hope you can be able to unlock these sounds, which are great, yeah. You will sound super modern immediately, yes. So first, what is the Mixolydian mode? Well, it's the 5th mode of the major scale, whatever, you know, modal thing. Okay, just learn the fingering, yes. There's like 20 million videos about the Mixolydian mode. I'm not going to go deeply in theory because what I want to give you is that shortcut, yes, it's a shortcut, yeah, how to sound bluesy. So you will find, as I told you on my Patreon, the 5 boxes of the Mixolydian mode overlap with the pentatonic scale, and I will show you some ideas. So first, Mixolydian mode, let's say in the key of A, we play in the key of A, yeah, so we have the pentatonic scale. We have all these bluesy sounds, yes. And then we have the Mixolydian mode, which is yeah, which is the root, the 2nd, major 3rd, 4th, 5th, yeah, 6th, the flat 7th, and the root again. And we play the 2nd octave, which is, yes, we can. I will show you a few ideas here in box 1, but you can use this over the fretboard, yes, which is what I did in the solo, yes. So the idea here to get it, the Mixolydian mode, it's a really modal sound. You know, if you play the mode, that's the thing, you know, it doesn't sound bluesy, yeah. We don't get a bluesy sound because we play Mixolydian mode, because usually we said, okay, if it's a blues in A7, just play Mixolydian and sound, it doesn't sound so bluesy, yeah? So we need to blend this mode, we need to play a few licks or phrases in modal and get immediately dive in blues, you know, and we have to play that tennis match between Mixolydian mode and pentatonic scale, yeah? So, for example, yeah, as you can see, I play the notes of the box 1 of Mixolydian mode, which is melted with my box 1 of pentatonic scale, and I play a Mixolydian modal fret. And now, from now, it's blues. Another thing, you know, I finish different, you know, but penta, mixo, yeah, another thing, mixo, penta, mixo, penta, mixo, penta, yes. So as you can see, I am mix them up, you know, both, I blend both ideas. I play one line in Mixolydian, and immediately I dive in blues, pentatonic scale, you know, again. You see, I start with mix, and now blues, yeah, again. Another idea could be, you know, another idea here in box 5, I blend box 5 of Mixolydian with box 5 of penta, yeah, pentatonic scale. Penta, mixo. So this is a classic Matt Scofield approach. Yeah. Another. You know, I finish in blues. You know, I take you to mixo and I finish in blues. You know, again. Penta, mixo. You know, mixo, penta, you know, again, another idea. Huh? Penta, mixo, penta, you know. So I'm just like dancing, you know. I'm just moving between both, you know. As much Mixolydian mode you play, less bluesy. Yeah, you need that pentatonic scale with the blue note to play that in order to sound bluesy. Yeah, it's not enough the Mixolydian, you know. Again, you know, it doesn't sound bluesy. Look this. Ah, I finish blues. Moda, blues. Yeah. Moda, blues. Blues, moda, you know. So that's the idea, yes. Practice that. Just put a vamp in one chord. Let's say A. A shuffle, slow shuffle. In one, playing only one chord. Don't play the 12 blues bar, and start trying to find that subtle mix between mixo and blues. Yeah. So thank you very much. I hope you like this lesson. Remember to like and share and visit my links. Thank you very much.